Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good afternoon to my lecturer, Dr. Muhammad Isa bin Hamzah, and to my fellow friends. My name is Ma'al Fikri Julani, P73936, Master in Education, TESOL. So today we have given the task of interpreting or giving different worldviews of the two different paradigms, which are positivism and interpretivism. Okay, let's start with positivism. What I understand about positivism is to predict. It was founded by Auguste Comte in the 19th century, which consists of empirical philosophy. Empirical philosophy here means is that's the belief that causes determines effect. A researcher will directly observe, quantitatively measure and predict relationship between variables. So here I repeat, it is to predict relationship between variables. The variables here, what are meant is something that can be measured, that can be observable. For example, research has been done by B.F. Skinner where he mentioned there are positive and negative reinforcement in determining behavior. So positive and negative reinforcement here means that it is something that is measurable and it is observable. The variable actually is measurable and observable. So the method suitable for positivism would be the quantitative form where data collection is available, because data collection here is something that we can observe, something that is measurable too. Type of instrument would be questionnaire, survey, quasi, and also experimental or test. There are some critics regarding the positivist, where it separates the researcher from what is being researched, so there will be no human interaction in during the whole research. It's just basically on a data collection. So that will be all for positivism. Let's go on to interpretivism. What I understand here, the keyword will be to understand, interpret and understand. Well, it was founded by Franz Boas in the School of Anthropological Thoughts, which is the opposite of positivism, or mainly known as anti-positivism. It is the belief that subject matter investigated by the natural sciences is different to the school of social sciences. So here, as positivism defines data collection is the ultimate way of a research, interpretivism requires human interaction. So the researcher would have to play an important role during the research. Such roles are like they need to recognize all of the participants. They could bring along their unique interpretation and of the work, and also builds relationship with the participants to actually engage their attitudes and values. Here, as you can see, there are two different paradigms where one does not allow researcher to actually take part in the research, which is positivism, where the other side, interpretivism, allows the research and needs and requires the researcher to take part actively within the research itself. So the method suitable for interpretivism should be the qualitative form, where it allows for the researcher to actually take part and collect data in various ways, such as interviews, essay research, case studies, and also survey. So here, I would just like to conclude these two paradigms are two of the opposite side. So I would say two extremes. So when we actually do a research, we need to understand which part are we going to play as a researcher. Are we just going to go there as collecting data, or we are going to go there find specific purpose in the research? So if we're going to just collect data, make our research a quantitative form, go on under positivism. If we're going to do the opposite way and create an environment where it's specialized to focus on a specific research topic, we should be doing qualitative form, which is under interpretivism. So that is all for today. I think I've grasped a basic understanding of these two paradigms. I would love to learn more. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.